Welcome. In previous class, we have discussed about the IPSC naming of open chain compound or acyclic compound. Today, we will discuss about the IPSC naming of cyclic compound. Okay, and some trivial or common system. Okay, let's start. There have various common prefixes are used as in or iso or neo, as well primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, for primary it is maybe called as 1 degree, it is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree. And in for normal. Normal means straight chain compound. Straight chain aliphatic compound is called in. Okay, iso means CH3 whole twice CH. How? CH3 that means look like this. This is iso. That means with this carbon, 2 methyl group, out of 2 methyl group, one is side chain. Then it is called iso structure. Iso. Okay, iso prefix. Iso. So this is isopropyl. For this common system, for these common prefixes, we have to count total number of carbon in the given species. We have to count the total number of carbon in given species, not along the main chain, okay, or parent chain. Altogether there are 3 carbon, so it is called isopropyl. This is called iso. This is a bond. For this carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. This is called isopropyl. This is called isopropyl. Isopropyl. Such as neo. What is neo? Neo stands for CH3 whole thrice C. Okay, CH3 whole thrice C. That means it should be C, CH3, and CH2. Altogether, this group is called neo. Okay, that means CH3 whole thrice C, CH2. Okay, this is stands for neo. CH3, or there are 2 side chain of methyl group at second carbon atom. This is called neopentyl. Neopentyl. Pentyl since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 altogether. These given species have 5 carbon. So it is called neopentyl, and this is a structure, general structure of CH2 is a bond. Okay, so this bond CH2, this is altogether called neopentyl. This is called neopentyl. Okay, neopentyl. So this is isopropyl. This is neopentyl. Again আমরা বলতে পারি CH3 CH. This is called tert butyl. This is called tertiary structure. CH3 whole thrice. That means tert হচ্ছে, this is tertiary. CH3, that means CH3 whole thrice C. If it stands for like this, then it is called tertiary butyl. Tertiary butyl, there are total 4 carbon. That's butyl. A tert means having no hydrogen with the carbon. Having no hydrogen with the central carbon atom. This is called tertiary. This is called tert butyl. Tertiary, tert for tertiary, but tert butyl. So if it is CH3 whole 2 CH, then it is iso. If it is CH3 whole twice CH2, then it is neo. Or this is the third butyl. আচ্ছা, এছাড়াও আমরা এরকম করতে পারি CH3 CH3, this is isopropyl. Then further, if it looks like, then it is isobutyl, 1 2 3 4, and this is the isostructure. So it is isobutyl. This is called isobutyl. Altogether having 4 carbon atoms, so it is butyl, and iso due to this structure is called isobutyl. ঠিক আছে, isobutyl. আচ্ছা, আবার সেকেন্ডারি আবার যদি এরকম করা হয় CH3 CH2 1 2 3 4, this is called secondary butyl. Okay, and normal means CH3 CH2 this is normal propyl. This is called normal propyl. অর্থাৎ no side chain, normal propyl. Okay, so this is that. Normal propyl is also known as primary. This is also known as primary. Okay, secondary, this is secondary. This carbon having one hydrogen or two carbon is known as secondary. The carbon linked with this carbon is primary. That's it is named so. It is linked with one carbon. Okay, it is linked with one carbon. আচ্ছা, একটা কমপ্লিট এক্সাম্পল যদি নিই, যদি নরমাল প্রাইমারি অ্যালকোহল, if it is normal propyl alcohol যদি বলে, for normal propyl alcohol, so normal means straight, propyl means having 3 carbon, and as well it is primary. So what should be CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Normal, having no side chain, having no branch, are primary. Why it is primary? This is the functional group. This is the propyl part. This is the propyl group. CH3 CH2 single bond. With this single bond, there have OH. This is the functional group. The functional group attached to the carbon is known as alpha carbon. This carbon is called alpha carbon. This is called beta carbon. This is called gamma carbon. If alpha carbon linked with one carbon, then it is 1 degree or primary. Okay, this carbon is linked with 2 carbon, it is 2 degree carbon. This is 1 degree carbon. This carbon is also linked with one carbon, so it is also 1 degree carbon. That means the carbon which is linked to one carbon, it's called primary carbon. The carbon which is linked with 2 carbon atoms in chain, then it is 2 degree. And if the carbon linked with 3 carbon atoms in chain or in a compound form, in a molecule, then it is called 3 degree. Okay, acha. The normal propyl alcohol, that is primary. Why it is called primary? Now this is the alcohol, the functional group. If alpha carbon means the carbon which is directly linked with the functional group. Okay, so here this carbon is directly linked with this functional group, so this is alpha carbon. Alpha carbon is linked with one carbon. Okay, that's why it is called 1 degree or primary. The nature of alpha carbon is the nature of the compound. Nature of alpha carbon is the nature of given compound. That's why it is primary, since alpha carbon is primary. Okay, so this is primary normal propyl alcohol or propanol. Okay, or propanol, propanol. This is called iso CH3 whole twice CH. So if it is iso isopropyl alcohol. It is asked to you that write the formula of isopropyl alcohol. So iso means this is iso, this is iso, this is iso structure, this is iso. See this carbon is linked with 2CH3, so it stands for iso. So isopropyl alcohol 1, 2, 3, 4. This is isopropyl alcohol. This is known as isopropyl alcohol. Altogether there are 3 carbon atoms. Altogether this carbon, the compound having 3 carbon atoms, so it is propyl, and having this type of structure is known as iso. But what is the IUPAC name of it? What is the IUPAC name of it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So it should be IUPAC name should be IUPAC name have prop. There are no suffix. There are no prefix. 1, 2, 3. This is the main chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the main chain. This is a functional group with the 2 carbon atom. This is prop. Propan 2-ol. Propan 2-ol or prop 2-ol. Propan 2-ol or prop 2-ol. This is prop 2-ol. This is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl is common or trivial system. It is also used in IUPAC also as substituent. So IUPAC should be propan 2-ol and the common system is isopropyl alcohol of this compound, name of this compound. Okay. Such as neopentyl. If we add Cl here, then it is neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl chloride. Okay, this is alpha carbon. As this forms, as this form is neo. This is the form neo. This is neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl chloride. But what is the IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. The 2,2 dimethyl. IUPAC name should be 2, 2, 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl prop or 1 chloro 2, 2 dimethyl 1 chloro propane. And we have already discussed that halogen is always used as substituent. So this is not the functional group. 1, 2, 3. Like 2, 2 dimethyl 1 chloro propane. This is nothing but alkane. Okay. So emnite trivial system. This is the neopentyl. This form is neopentyl. If it is there OH, so this is neopentyl alcohol. If there have OH, so this is the neopentyl alcohol. But IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. Don't give away. 2, 2 dimethyl prop 1-ol. 2, 2 dimethyl prop 1-ol. And alcohol is suffix. Alcohol is functional group. But Cl is substituent. That's why it is used as substituent and the suffix is ane. That is alkane, propane. Halogen, alkyl group, nitro, alkoxy are always used as substituents, not as functional group. That's why 1 chloropropane. But if it is an OH but COOH like this way, then that should be this should be the suffix. Okay, instead of Cl, nitro, methoxy, alkoxy. Okay, this is neopentyl. Okay, acha. Another way, this carbon is 1 degree. This carbon is 1 degree. This carbon is 1 degree carbon. Jodi bole, what give the degree of all the carbon for the given compound. This carbon is linked with 1 carbon, that is 1 degree carbon. This carbon is linked with 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is tertiary carbon. This is tertiary carbon. Okay, the tertiary or 3 degree carbon, third carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon. Okay, as it is linked with 4 carbon atom. This is with 1 carbon, so this is 1 degree. This is also 1 carbon, so this is also 1 degree. This is also 1 degree. So all this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree, this is 1 degree as well. This is 1 degree, but this is quaternary carbon, as it is linked with four carbon atoms. Then for this is called isobutyl. This is called isobutyl. This is iso, and altogether they have four carbon atoms. So it is isobutyl, and this is isopropyl. This is isopropyl. Okay, এখানে যদি একটা OH দিই, this should be isopropyl alcohol, যেমন এখানে করলাম. Okay, তো for this given তোমার compound যদি বলে এখানে NH2, if it is there NH2, তো what should be isobutyl amine. Isobutyl amine. This is isobutyl is the part. Okay, now if they have a functional group, so it becomes a complete compound. Isobutyl amine. This is the common name, but what should be the IPAC name? 1 2 3 2 methyl IPAC কি হবে? 2 methyl. আচ্ছা, amine is used as substituent as well as prefix, suffix as well as prefix. Prefix when it is used as substituent, or when it is used as suffix or function group, then it is used as secondary suffix. So 1 2 3, the 2 methyl body they have 3 carbon, 2 methyl prop 1 amine. When it is used as functional group, then it is amine, or when it is used in presence of more prior functional group, then it is used as prefix or substituent and pronounced as amino. Okay, the NH2 while used as function group, then it is amine, or if it is present along with more prior functional group in the chain, so it should be pronounced as amino, as substituent or as prefix. Okay, so this should be 2 methyl prop 1 amine. Only amine is the only function group here, so it is with this name it will be, the name will such as 2 methyl prop 1 amine. 2 methyl prop 1 amine, or in other way isobutyl amine. This is iso having 4 carbon atom, isobutyl amine, or IPAC this is. Okay, so what is iso, what is neo, what is primary, what is secondary? Acha, this carbon is 1 degree carbon. This carbon 1 2 3, so this 3 degree carbon. This is 1 degree carbon, and this is also 1 degree carbon. অর্থাৎ if any carbon remains linked with one carbon atom in its chain, so it should be 1 degree. If it is with 2 carbon atoms, then it is 2 degree. If it is with 3 carbon atoms, it will be 3 degree, and with 4 carbon atom, quaternary. Done? Okay, and this is iso. This is isostructure. This is isopropyl. This is isobutyl. This is the normal. This is neo. Neo means this structure, CH3 whole thrice CCH2, then further কিছু, যেমন something Cl OH NH2, any functional group or substituent, so that will make the complete name as prefix neo. Okay, আর একটা যে tert, এই যে tert butyl, এখানে যদি আমরা এখন OH করতাম তাহলে কি লিখতাম? tert butyl alcohol. If it is OH here, so it is tert butyl alcohol. But what should be IPAC? IPAC 1 2 3, that makes IPAC কি হবে এটা? It is common name, tert butyl alcohol. It is also used in the part of the IPAC as complete IPAC name of this compound equal to pure IPAC name 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 or 1 2 3, all makes OH2 and total carbon atom 3. So anyway 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 or 1 2 3 all makes locant of OH2 and having total 3 carbon atom in main chain. So what should be? Now if it is 1 2 3, so 2 methyl prop 2 all. Okay, 2 methyl prop 2 all. This is tert. Tertiary means হচ্ছে carbon atom having no hydrogen. Tertiary carbon means the carbon atom having no hydrogen atom or remain with 3 carbon atoms, having no hydrogen atoms or having with 3 carbon atoms, that is tertiary. The carbon atom with either one H atom or two carbon atom is secondary, or carbon with two hydrogen atom or one carbon atom is primary, or carbon with four carbon atom is quaternary. Done. This is a trivial naming, but it is used as nowadays part of IUPAC. Okay. So chalo, this is done. What is normal, what is iso, what is neo, what is primary. Primary means 1 degree, secondary means 2 degree, tertiary means 3 degree. Okay, and the nature of the compound, whether it will be primary or secondary or tertiary, that depends on nature of alpha carbon. Again, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2H. Okay, again CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Okay, again CH3, C, CH3, OH, CH3. Here, what is alpha carbon? The carbon with which the functional group remains attached. This is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having one hydrogen, having two hydrogen or one carbon, so it is 1 degree. This alpha carbon is 1 degree, so it should be primary. Okay, अर्थात nature or degree of a compound is determined by the nature of alpha carbon. Okay, if alpha carbon is 1 degree, then the compound will be 1 degree alcohol. That is primary alcohol. So this is primary alcohol. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. What should be its name? 1, 2, 3, 4. But 1 all. Okay, numbering should be started from this end, nearest to OH. Achha, for this case 1, 2, 3, 4, not 1, 2, 3, 4. For this case 1, 2 is the locant of OH, or from this end 1, 2, 3 will be the locant of OH. So we should prefer this from this end, numbering from this end 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is but 2 all. This is but 2 all. Above all, this is alpha carbon. This alpha carbon is bonded with 2 carbon atom. So degree of this alpha carbon is kato? 2 degree carbon. So it is secondary. Alcohol. This is secondary alcohol or 2 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol or 2 degree alcohol. Now for this case 1, 2, 3. This carbon is alpha carbon, and alpha carbon is remain with 3 carbon atom, 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon atoms. So its degree is 3 degree. So depending on nature of the alpha carbon, the class in terms of degree of this given alcohol should be tertiary or tertiary alcohol. Naming IUPAC 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl prop 2-ol, 2-methyl, 2-amethyl prop 2-ol, or propan 2-ol. Okay, propane you will be dropped, that comes as propan 2-ol or prop 2-ol. Okay, lithyl part and amethyl part should be separated by a hyphen. Okay, bas. This is common system. Now done. This is the degree, primary, secondary, tertiary, or normal, neo, iso, like this way. Done. এবার আমরা যদি এরকম একটা করি cyclic compound. Okay, now we go for cyclic compound. Let here COOH, here a bromine, here a double bond. This is cyclopropane. Before that, this is cyclopropane. Okay, this is cyclopropane. This is bond line notation. Bond line notation means end point is C, or in between any vertex there are also C. This is C also. We should fulfill its tetravalency. We need 3, another hydrogen 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, CH2, and this is CH3. 3 and 1, 4 bond. Okay, always carbon should have total 4 bonds. So this is bond line notation, CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this is propane. This is normal propane. And this is cyclopropane. Okay, again this is cyclobutane. कारण कि this is a closed chain having no proper end. This is known as cyclic or ring compound or closed compound. This is cyclobutane. This is cyclobutane, and this is normal butane. अर्थात this is aliphatic, that is open chain compound. Acyclic compound, this is cyclic. This is cyclic, this is acyclic or open chain compound. Open chain compound, this is acyclic, that is aliphatic also. So this is, if it is propane, normal propane, then it is normal butane. Okay, if it is normal butane, C and C, and fulfill its tetravalency, 1 2 to another 2 hydrogen, 1 to another 2 hydrogen. So it is normal butane, but it is cyclobutane. Done like this way. This is cyclo part. Next on, if the name is this, so this is substituent, this is main বা principal functional group, that is secondary functional group. SF is secondary functional group, that is suffix. Secondary functional group is suffix. This is primary functional group. This is primary functional group. Double bond and triple bond and single bond is always used as primary functional group. So this is substituent. This is cyclo part. This is if it is 2 degree prefix. Can I previous video there, as I have said that substituent are 2 degree prefix. Cyclo is 1 degree prefix. So now 1 degree prefix comes for first time. This is 1 degree prefix. This is 2 degree prefix. So what was the order? 2 degree prefix, 1 degree prefix, word root or body, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. So 2 degree prefix, bromo. So naming 1 2 3, naming korte hobe 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is cyclo part. 1, because this is the principal functional group. COOH 1 2 3 4 5 6. So they have at 4th carbon 4 bromo. 4 bromo. Now cyclohex. This is cyclohex. Because they are having total 6 carbon. Cyclohex. This is 1 degree prefix. Cyclohex. Now this is word root. This is a cyclohex word root. Cyclo part. This cyclo part is 1 degree prefix. 4 bromo is 2 degree prefix. Hex a part hoche ki word root. Then 2 and 3, there have double bond between 2 and 3. So what should be the position of primary function group by primary suffix? 2. Hex 2 in 1 oic acid. So as secondary suffix starts with O, so terminal E of the primary suffix will be dropped. So that should be 4 bromo cyclohex 2 in 1 oic acid. Done. This is a complete form having all parts: 2 degree prefix, 1 degree prefix, word root, primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay, this is substituent. This is substituent. This is 2 degree substituent. This is 1 degree substituent. This is word root. This is primary suffix, and this is secondary suffix. Okay, primary functional group or primary suffix. Primary suffix, and this is secondary suffix. Secondary functional group or secondary suffix. Okay, this is that. So now done. This is cyclo part. This is the okay. Now আচ্ছা, সাইক্লিক কম্পাউন্ডের নেমিং এর জন্য আইপিসি তে if the carbon atom in cyclic ring, if the carbon atom in the cyclic ring is same as to the number of carbon atoms in the side chain attached to the cyclic part, then cyclo part will have preference. Okay, so how? Okay, that means they have, this is 1 2 3 4 ring having total 5 carbon atoms, but chain having 1 2 3. Again, if here 1 2 3, in cyclic part there have 3 carbon atoms, in aliphatic part or the side chain attached with this having also 3 carbon atoms. So either same number of carbon atoms in the cyclic part with the side chain attached to it, or if the number of carbon atoms is more than the carbon atoms in side chain, for those cases cyclo part will get preference. Cyclo part will get preference. That will be alkyl cycloalkane. Alkyl cycloalkane. So what should be the name of this compound? What should be the name of this compound? Propyl cyclopropane. Propyl, what should be the name? Propyl. This should be propyl cyclopropane. Okay, cyclopropane get preference. Cyclopropane gets preference having same number of carbon atom within the ring or cyclic part. If it is equal to that external side chain, then also it gets preference as well when the number of carbon atoms in the ring is more than the number of carbon atoms in the side chain. Okay, this should be, what should be? This is propyl cyclopentane. Propyl cyclopentane. This should be propyl cyclopentane. Cyclo 1 2 3 4 5 cyclopentane. This is what should be the name of this compound? If number of carbon atom in chain is same or more than the number of carbon atoms present in side chain, then cyclo part will get preference. That means the name will be suffixed with the cyclo part. This is propyl, and cyclopentane. Propyl cyclopropane. Okay, this is cyclopropane and this is propyl. But if the number of carbon atoms in side chain is more than the number of carbon atom in the cyclo part, then it will be prefix and this part will be the suffix. Okay, how? এরকম আছে, তাহলে 1 2 3 4 5 6, and whereas this is only 3 carbon atoms. So this part having more number of carbon atoms, this is side chain. Side chain having more number of carbon atoms compared to number of carbon atoms, number of C atoms in chain, in ring or cyclic part. So it will get preference. The one is cyclopropyl hexane. So this should be cycloalkyl alkane. That means cyclopropyl. This is cyclopropyl and this would be alkane. So what should be the cyclopropyl? What would be the name of the IPC of this compound? IPC name cyclopropyl hexane. Cyclopropyl hexane. Okay, this is cyclo means হচ্ছে কি না 1 degree prefix. Cyclopropyl as well যদি আমরা 1 degree prefix ধরি তাহলে hex হচ্ছে word root আর এটা হচ্ছে কি suffix. তো cyclopropyl hexane having more number of carbon atom than ring, so it get preference over this. So now it would be the substituent and it would be the suffix. So that's why cyclopropyl hexane. Done? আচ্ছা, for that compound যদি আমরা এরকম একটা compound নিই having 6 carbon in the ring, then this and as well this, what will be the name? Side chain, এখানে একটা কার্বন এরকম আছে মানে কি, অনেক সময় এখানে এমি লেখা থাকে বা কিছুদিন লেখা নাও থাকে, তাহলে আনবো ইট ইজ নাথিং বাট বাই ডিফল্ট মিথাইল, by default methyl, or if it is stated at methyl, that will be also methyl, and this is 1 2 3 4, here I have 4 carbon atoms but cyclopart having 6 carbon atom, so it will get preference. So how? So what should be the name of this compound? দেখো এটা সাইড চেন, এখানে একটা সাইড চেন, তাই তো? তাহলে আমরা যদি এখানে নাম করি 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this should be 1 butyl, 1 একটা butyl রয়েছে 1 2 3 4, তাহলে 1 butyl 4 methyl, 1 butyl 4 methyl cyclohexane, 1 butyl, that's 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, the direction should be such that the second substituent should get possible least number, clockwise or anti-clockwise, এমন ডিরেকশন চুজ করতে হবে যাতে করে নেক্সট সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্টটা পসিবল লিস্ট নাম্বার অ্যাজ লোকেল নাম্বার হিসাবে অবটেন করে। তাহলে 1 2 3 4 আর 2 3 4 as well clockwise anti-clockwise in both cases in methyl gets তোমার 4 as local number. Okay, so both will be right. Hello, what should be the name? না হবে 1 a butyl 4 methyl cyclohexane, ঠিক আছে? This is 1 butyl 4 methyl, it is the 2 degree suffix, cyclo is 2 degree prefix, this is 1 degree prefix, this is word root, this is only the functional group. This compound having only functional groups single bond, so it should be N with a suffix. 1 butyl 4 methyl cyclohexane. Done. This is the name of this compound. Okay. Having total 6 carbon in the ring, or side chain here 4 carbon atom, here 1 carbon atom, so it get preference. So cyclohex, the name with suffix with a cyclo part. Okay, and this should be alkyl part. So 1 a butyl 4 a methyl cyclohexane. Now what should be the name of this compound? CL beer. So 1 2 or 1 2 কোনটা দেব? Actually substituents are get preference according to the alphabet. This is bromo, this is chloro. So bromo should get preference over chloro. But for this case, if there are branching, দেখো আমি যদি এখান থেকে নাম্বারিং করি তাহলে 1 এ কি আসবে? 1 bromo 2,2 dichlorohexane, cyclohexane, this is the 1 degree prefix, cyclohexane. But if we number like this way 1 2, then it comes as 2 bromo 1 1 dichlorocyclohexane. So the total locant here 1 plus 2 plus 2, that makes 5, and here 2 plus 1 plus 1, that makes 4. So this will be the right. Okay, if here only Cl, যদি এরকম কেস হতো, if it is like this way, এখানে ক্লোরিন এখানে ব্রোমিন or এখানে ব্রোমিন, then certainly it get preference. Certainly bromine should have preference. কেন কি ব্রোমিন অ্যালফাবেটিক্যালি ক্লোরিন থেকে আগে, তাহলে 1 bromo 2 chloro cyclohexane. But for this case where there are multiple number of substituents, then we should number like this way so as to get possible lowest sum of locant. তাহলে 1 plus 1 2, that means 4, or for this case 2 plus 1, that makes 5. So it will wrong, 1 2, it will wrong. This would be 1 2. Okay, 1 1 ডাইক্লোরো, বা লেখার সময় কিন্তু আগে ব্রোমোটা লিখবো কারণ অ্যালফাবেটিক্যালি ব্রোমোটা আগে আসবে। 1 ব্রোমো 2 2 ডাইক্লোরো সাইক্লোহেক্সেন, ডাই ইজ নেমেটাল প্রেফিক্স। ডান? ওকে, আচ্ছা, this is wrong. 1 bromo 2 2 dichlorocyclohexane na, it should be 2 bromo 1 1 dichlorocyclohexane. Now আচ্ছা, ET means হচ্ছে ইথাইল, ET means হচ্ছে ইথাইল, আর ME means হচ্ছে মিথাইল। ওকে, তো it is ET means ইথাইল, আর একটা হচ্ছে CHO here, CHO। আচ্ছা, if the side chain is linked with any proper functional group, then number of carbon atom does not matter. তখন কিন্তু এটা কোনো এখানে 6টা কার্বন আছে কি এখানে একটা কার্বন আছে এখানে একটা কার্বন আছে, that does not matter, তখন it will get preference. So what is the functional group of this? What is the name the functional group? This is C double bond O OET means হচ্ছে C2H5. Okay, this is A star, this is A star, this is A star. তাহলে এখানে আমরা কিভাবে নেমিং করব? কি বলা হয়েছিল আগে? আমরা এই পার্টটা কি বলা হয়েছিল? the alkyl part with O should be pronounced first, that is ethyl, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে this is 1, this carbon is 1, কারণ আমি কি বলেছিলাম কিভাবে নাম্বারিং করতে বলেছিলাম CH3 C double bond O C2H5, so this is ethyl, alkyl alkanoid, so this is ethyl 1 2, that means ethyl ethanoate, NOAT, weight হচ্ছে কি ester suffix of class of ester equal to weight, so ethyl ethanoate, alkyl alkanoid. So what should be the name for this compound? তাহলে এখানে দেখালো কি 1 নম্বরে, আচ্ছা এখানে এটাকে আমরা এখনই করতে পারবেন, এটা একটু সরিয়ে রাখি, এটাকে যদি CHOটাকে অফ করে রাখতাম তাহলে কি হতো? তাহলে আমরা লিখতাম ইথাইল 1 নম্বর কার্বনে একটা সাইক্লোহেক্সিল পার্ট রয়েছে, ইথাইল 1 আর লিখতে পারি না বা লিখতে পারি 1 সাইক্লোহেক্সিল মিথানোয়েট, কেন কি এটা একটাই কার্বন, দিস ইজ সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্ট পার্ট। তাহলে ইথাইল 1 সাইক্লোহেক্সিল মিথানোয়েট। ওকে, আর যদি এটাই থাকতো তখন কি লিখতাম? তখন আমরা কি করতাম COOET, আর এখানে যদি CHO হতো, তো CHO is less prior functional group compared to ester, it will be now treated as E. Prefix means formyl. So what should be the name? Ethyl 1 নম্বর কার্বনের আবার এখান থেকে, অর্থাৎ আমি বলেছিলাম কমপ্লেক্স, এটা হচ্ছে কমপ্লেক্স সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্ট, when this H is substituted by CHO it becomes complex substituent. তাহলে এখানে আমরা নাম্বারিং করতে হবে 1 2 3 4 5 6, মেইন চেনে যেখান থেকে সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্ট ডাইরেক্টলি লিংক থাকে সেখান থেকে 1 নাম্বারিং করতে বলা হয়েছিল। তাহলে 1 2, তাহলে ইথাইল, তো এটা হলো ইথাইল। এবার কি হবে? এবার হবে 2 নম্বরে 2, এই 2টা কিন্তু আমরা কি বলেছিলাম, এই 2টা হচ্ছে আমাকে কিসের মধ্যে রাখতে হবে? আমাকে ইথাইল এটা ইথাইল 1 নম্বর কার্বনে কি রয়েছে, এই সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্টের 2 নম্বর কার্বন আবার একটা অ্যালডিহাইড। তাহলে আমরা কি লিখবো? 2 ফর্মিল সাইক্লোহেক্সিল সাইক্লোহেক্সিল মিথানয়েড। এখানে একটাই কার্বন রয়েছে, মেন এস্টারের বডিতে একটাই কার্বন রয়েছে, তাহলে এটা শুড বি মিথানয়েড, লাইক দিস ওয়ে, মিথানয়েড, এটা মিথানয়েড, মিথানয়েড। Done. That means if the side chain having functional group, then functional group gets preference. It does not depend whether the number of carbon atom in the cyclic part is more than the side chain part. Okay, so this is one, this is ethyl 1A একটা সাইক্লোপ্রোপাইল, আবার এখানেও যদি একটা সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্ট হয় তাহলে দিস বিকামস কমপ্লেক্স সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্ট। তখন কি আসবে, এই সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্টের সেকেন্ড কার্বনে অ্যানাদার সাবস্টিটিউশন অকার্স, সেটা হচ্ছে 2 ফর্মিল। এই সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্টের সেকেন্ড কার্বনে একটা ফর্মিল রয়েছে, দিস ইজ 2 ফর্মিল সাইক্লোহেক্সিল। ইথাইল তো আগেই বলতে হচ্ছে মিথানয়েড। ডান, দিস ইজ। আচ্ছা, আবার যদি এরকম থাকে, এখানে বিআর, এখানে সিএল, এখানে সিএল, তখনও কিন্তু আমরা এটাই প্রেফারেন্স দেবো, কারণ কি এখানে মাল্টিপল নাম্বার অফ কি থাকছে, সাবস্টিটিউয়েন্ট থাকছে। তাহলে 1 2, এটা কি আসবে, 1A ব্রোমো, 1 ব্রোমো, 1 ব্রোমো, 2 1 ব্রোমো, 1 2, 1 1 2 ডাই